Windows 1.0 2.0, 1985 to 1992. Introduced in 1985, Microsoft Windows 1.0 was named due to the computing boxes, or windows that represented a fundamental aspect of the operating system. Instead of typing MS-DOS commands, Windows 1.0 allowed users to point and click to access the windows. In 1987, Microsoft released Windows 2.0, which was designed for the Intel 286 processor. This version added desktop icons, keyboard shortcuts and improved graphics support. Windows 3.0 to 3.1, 1990 to 1994. Windows 3.0 was released in May 1900, offering better icons, performance and advanced graphics with 16 colors designed for Intel 386 processors. This version is the first release that provides the standard look and feel of Microsoft Windows for many years to come. Windows 3.0 included Program Manager, File Manager and Print Manager and Games, Hearts, Minesweeper and Solitaire. Microsoft released Windows 3.1 in 1992. Windows 95, August 1995. Windows 95 was released in 1995 and was a major upgrade to the Windows operating system. This OS was a significant advancement over its precursor, Windows 3.1. In addition to sporting a new user interface, Windows 95 also includes a number of important internal improvements. Perhaps most important, it supports 32-bit applications, which means that applications written specifically for this operating system should run much faster. Windows XP, October 2001. Windows XP was released in 2001. Along with a redesigned look and feel to the user interface, the new operating system is built on the Windows 2000 kernel, giving the user a more stable and reliable environment than previous versions of Windows. Windows XP comes in two versions, Home and Professional. Microsoft focused on mobility for both editions, including plug-and-play features for connecting to wireless networks. The operating system also utilizes the 802.11x wireless security standard. Windows XP is one of Microsoft's best-selling products. Windows Vista, November 2006. Windows Vista offered an advancement in reliability, security, ease of deployment, performance and manageability over Windows XP. New in this version was capabilities to detect hardware problems before they occur, security features to protect against the latest generation of threats, faster startup time and low power consumption of the new sleep state. In many cases, Windows Vista is noticeably more responsive than Windows XP on identical hardware. Windows Vista simplifies and centralizes desktop configuration management, reducing the cost of keeping systems updated. Windows 7, October 2009. Windows 7 was released by Microsoft on October 22, 2009 as the latest in the 25-year-old line of Windows operating systems and as the successor to Windows Vista, which itself had followed Windows XP. Windows 7 was released in conjunction with Windows Server 2008 R2, Windows 7's server counterpart. Enhancements and new features in Windows 7 include multi-touch support, Internet Explorer 8, improved performance and startup time, AeroSnap, AeroShake, support for virtual hard disks, a new and improved Windows Media Center, and improved security. Windows OS, Windows 8. Windows 8 was released on August 1, 2012 and is a completely redesigned operating system that's been developed from the ground up with touchscreen use in mind as well as near-instant on capabilities that enable a Windows 8 PC to load and start up in a matter of seconds rather than in minutes. Windows 8 will replace the more traditional Microsoft Windows OS look and feel with a new Metro design system interface that first debuted in the Windows Phone 7 mobile operating system. The Metro user interface primarily consists of a start screen made up of live tiles, which are links to applications and features that are dynamic and update in real time. Windows 8 supports both x86 PCs and ARM processors. Windows 10. Windows 10 is Microsoft's Windows successor to Windows 8. Windows 10 debuted on July 29, 2015, following a technical preview beta release of the new operating system that arrived in fall 2014 and a consumer preview beta in early 2015. Microsoft claims Windows 10 features fast startup and resume, built-in security and the return of the Start menu in an expanded form. This version of Windows will also feature Microsoft Edge, Microsoft's new browser. Any qualified device, such as tablets, PCs, smartphones and Xbox consoles, can upgrade to Windows 10, including those with pirated copies of Windows.